Good morning everyone. This is Maheshwar Reddy. Today I would like to say about our mathematics according to EAP set and IIT and JEE from mains to advanced level. And due to this course, according to our 2023 syllabus of our advanced, the first chapter was already changed. We knew that already, and let me explain about that. The chapter was, instead of properties of triangle, we had right now sets and its relations. So the change was only 5 to 10% according to the previous. When we compare to the previous years for this academic year 2023 for EAPs. Advanced. Advanced for JEE. So I would like to say a couple of examples for yours. In the manner of is that two without options. It means we are going more through the section 2 or level 2. It means like about the integer value without finding or without knowing about the four options or multiple options what we have. So let me move forward for the integers. Let me take an example according to the trigonometry. Why should I am taking especially about trigonometry? Let me explain about that. Why should I am taking especially about this means the highest score will be gettable according to this one trigonometry only, because in this trigonometry we had, according to the previous one, we had totally 4 chapters like trigonometry and application or properties of triangle, and another one differential calculation, and another one integral calculation. But currently we had only 3 options except the properties of triangle. We just told that it was already instead in place of sets and its relations, and of course it is also called as functions. In this trigonometry we knew the already basics like sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta, etc. We knew that. And let me forward to the direct question one. If I have any kind of doubts, I will give you the clarification according to the similar sections. So let me take our first example for that. If f of x is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 or something else, 0 to pi by 2 or something else, or it means you can also add like this: x into tan inverse of x and e power t minus cos t. E power t minus cos t. Of course, it was already in the above function, so we can also write like this. Yeah. The denominator was 1 plus t whole power to turn. It was came like very funny, which is t. You can also instead here x. Actually, we already see the in matter of like put values and limits and continuous. It's simply like that. Okay, it is totally belongs to integral values. In this integral values, we had put values. We had put values and limits and continuous. And of course, you know that our limits is nothing but substitutional method. This is also similar like that, and we know that already. This is a denominator, this is a numerator. We know that already. First of all, initially should be substitute 0. If you put 0 means everything will be going to be 0. Instead of x, we put here like a variable t, so everything is going to be 0. There is no any classes, any calculation is no need for this a special question. Okay, and you don't need any kind of multiple choices. This is the problem which is belongs to integers. Okay, you can get the 24 marks in these integers, but you have only 6 questions. Each one carry 4 marks. So it's for us, of course, 24. Okay, so each question can carry 4 marks. So these integers can come 6 questions can come in your advanced level. Okay. So this is the first question. Everyone hope it enjoy it. You can. The education is simply like entertainment to us when you know the basics already. Okay. But you should know the basics along with the awareness, along with the minimum common sense. These are all required for the solution according to these kind of questions. I didn't use any kind of formula here. I just applied it. I know where it came. And I know how it comes. That's why we solve this very easily. That too within seconds. Within seconds. So we should be calculated within this time. Of course, what we had the period, the 30 seconds. Okay. So I think perhaps takes only, if for your thing, I think it takes only 10 seconds or below 5 seconds. To do the solution, put the 0. It takes only a couple of seconds. So let me move forward to the couple of second question. It is also combination of indices. Let me take another example. Let alpha comma beta or alpha and beta be a real numbers. Of course, let alpha and b be a real numbers. There, I'm just writing a shortcut only because it takes too much of time. Yeah. Such that minus pi by 4 less than beta less than 0 less than alpha less than pi by 4. I mean, from minus pi by 4 less than 0 less than alpha less than beta less than pi by 4. These are all. That's okay. If sin alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 3, here we have one value here. Sin alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 3, and cos alpha minus beta is equal to 2 by 3. Cos alpha minus beta is equal to 2 by 3. That's okay. Then the greater integer less than or equal to, okay, then you should find out the greater integer, whether if it is less than or greater than whatever it may be. Here we have to sign like sin alpha by cos beta plus cos beta by sin alpha plus cos alpha sin beta. Cos alpha sin beta perhaps which is cos alpha. Yeah, it was sufficient. Is it came, so this is a fill in the blank. It should be what so it should be filled in this blank which is like a integer. So let me take two forms. Okay, let me take a two forms. Will you see here numerator was numerator was similarly, let's say it means alpha beta beta. Don't look about the terms. You just look at about the variable only. Okay, it means sin alpha by cos beta plus cos alpha by sin beta plus cos beta by sin alpha plus sin beta by cos alpha. Just observe here. It is really useful to yours. Everyone should be observing here. Alpha beta alpha. Okay, is it clear? Let me take individual LCM from here. Okay, I would like to take two terms different. Okay, yeah. Tell with me sin alpha sin beta plus cos alpha cos beta by cos beta sin beta plus cos beta cos alpha plus sin alpha sin beta. What any multiplication can also find anything else? Sin alpha cos, which is like a cos of alpha minus beta. This is the formula. Okay, I didn't write anything else. I am putting here 2 because if you add here 2 means how it will like sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin 2 alpha means 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Sin 2 alpha is equal to 2 sin alpha cos alpha. That's why I am adding here 2. If you see, if we have alpha means alpha comes. If it is beta means beta comes. So here it is. So sin 2 alpha I can write it. Again plus same similarly 2 cos here plus of course both are same, so alpha minus beta by same sin 2 also write like that. Similarly, let me take a common from here. 2 cos alpha minus beta, 2 cos alpha minus beta, both are same. So let me take common example. 2 cos alpha minus beta, then 1 by here sin 2 alpha we can write like sin alpha plus beta. Okay, let me write. Keep writing. Sin alpha plus beta, then we have beta. Again minus alpha minus beta. If it is minus to minus plus, so 2 beta will come like this. And again here plus we have 1 y. Same. We can also add like this. Sin alpha plus beta. Here minus we will put plus alpha minus beta. Because beta cancel, sin 2 alpha will be appear here. Okay. 2 cos of already we know the from assumption cos alpha minus beta is 2 by 3. So 2 2s are 4 directly. I am writing here 4 by 3 then 1 by. It is a formula. It is a formula. Sin of a plus b and sin of a minus b. What? Okay. So sin of you can also say you can take alpha plus beta is equal to a and alpha minus beta is equal to b then sin of a minus b formula then you can also write. Then alpha plus beta we had another 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 minus 2 into root 2 by 3. What? Again root 5 by 3. This is the cos of alpha plus beta actual formula. Okay. And this is the sin of alpha minus beta. These are the again same will appears here. Just the signature will be changed only. So again 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 minus 2 into 2 by 3 into 2 5 by okay. Perhaps you can understood. So let me rub this all. We require this one only. We don't need require this one. Yeah. Let me go to the first. So if you take LCM means it comes like a 3. So 3 3s are 9. It appears. When I go to the reciprocal, it means 4 by 9 by 3 means it automatically comes by 2 minus. Here we have two values are in the root section. So 2 into directly 10 means 2 root 10. It comes like this 1 by. Again what we have plus we have again plus 1 by 2 plus. Here we have minus and we have plus here of course. So 2 plus 2 into root 10. Just see here and take the LCM and apply the form. A minus b in the a plus. Of course we know that already a square minus b square. It means 4 minus 4 of root 2 whole square means 10. So direct I can write 40. LCM was 4. It means 4 into 9 by 3. So we can also write 4 into 9 by 3 into 4 by minus 36. 9 1s are 9 4s are 4 4s are cancelled. We can also write minus 4 by 3. So this is the value of this one minus 4 by 3. Yeah. We can calculate it like this one. Thank you.